This is numbers 13 through 16 on the study guide. It says if 6, 8, and 12 and 15, 20, and x are the lengths of the corresponding sides of two similar triangles, so let's just go ahead and draw two triangles. So 6, 8, and 12, and then 15, 20, and x, because they have to correspond based on the wording of this sentence. What is the value of x? So really all I need is like two sides from here that will match up here, but I need the x to be one of them. So let's say that I've got like x, and then let's say I've got 20. So notice that from the larger triangle, I put the larger triangle on the top. So what goes with the x on the smaller triangle? The 12. What goes with the 20 on the smaller triangle? The 8. And now we can just cross multiply. So we get 8x is equal to 12 times 20, which would be 240. And then what we're going to do is divide both sides by 8, and so that value of x in this case would be 30. On number 14, it says, what's the length of TU? Which is this length right here, the whole side. And if you'll notice, that actually corresponds with this whole side right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, well, the 60 has to go with the TU, so I'm going to call that x. So 60 is on this triangle here. Now notice they give me the entire length of the bottom here, which would be 60 plus 40, which is 100. So 100 represents the whole bottom of this triangle that goes with the 60, so I put them both on the top. And so then what's the whole bottom of this triangle over here that goes with this TU? Well, the whole bottom here would be 60 plus 20, which is 80. So again, now I can cross multiply, so I'm going to do 60 times 80, and I'm going to get 100x is equal to 4,800, and so then I'm going to divide both sides by 100, and that leaves me with x equals 48 right there. Now, on number 15, it says, what value of y makes the rectangle similar, which means the sides would have to be proportional. So here my y and the 14.4 go together, so y and 14.4 go together. And then that's going to equal, on this y triangle, I've got the 8.4, so notice I kept the y triangle pieces together in the numerator, and that goes with the 4.8 here. So we'll cross multiply and get 4.8y is equal to 14.4 times 8.4, which is 120 9600ths. Divide both of those sides by 4.8, and y is going to be the value of 25 200ths. The last question here says, can these three lengths and these three lengths be corresponding sides of similar triangles? If they were, they would line up and make proportions. So what we want to check is to see is, does 6 divided by 1.5 equal the same thing as 10 divided by 2.5, which should equal the same as 12 divided by 3.5. So let's go ahead and do that. 6 divided by 1.5 is going to give us 4. 10 divided by 2.5 is going to give us 4, and we don't stop there. We got to check this third side. 12 divided by 3.5 is going to give me 3.4. That is not the same number, so the answer is no, because the sides are not proportional.